In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a dedicated team or channel for your next project, ensuring your workflow is both efficient and organized. Whether you're launching a new product or spearheading a marketing campaign, having a tailored space in your collaboration platform can make all the difference. Let's dive in. First, assess the scope of your project to determine if you'll need to create an entirely new team or simply designate a channel within an existing team. For larger projects, creating a new team might be the better choice, giving you a fresh slate to organize every detail. However, if your project is more contained or linked to ongoing work, adding a specific channel within an existing team can keep it neatly integrated with other activities. Once you decide, it's time to give your team or channel a name that stands out. Opt for something clear and informative, such as Project X, Launch, or Marketing Campaign 2025. Consistent naming conventions not only make navigation easier for everyone involved, but also set a professional tone. Confidentiality is another key factor. Decide whether the space should be private, meaning only invited members can join, or public, open to your entire organization. This choice hinges on the sensitivity of the project's information and who needs access to collaborate effectively. Now, let's talk about structuring your channels within your project team or channel. Consider what your major work streams are and organize them into sub-channels or folders. This can help you keep everything from brainstorming sessions to final deliverables categorized and easy to find. For more robust project management, setting up tabs at the top of each channel can come in handy. These tabs should link directly to your key tools. Think about a project plan tab, which might be an Excel file or Word document that outlines your timelines and goals. Incorporate a Tasks or Board tab through Microsoft Planner or To-Do to keep track of everyone's responsibilities. A File Library tab, integrated with SharePoint or OneDrive, will serve as a centralized spot for all project-related documents, presentations, and spreadsheets. Next, consider adding a Wiki or OneNote tab for quick access to meeting notes and important documentation. If you're using Power BI for data analytics, a Dashboard or Report tab is also beneficial. Let's focus a bit more on using the Tasks and Planner tools within Teams. These tools allow you to create task boards with bucket columns such as To Do, In Progress, and Done. It's essential to assign tasks, set due dates, and prioritize using labels to enhance accountability. Various views like Board, Chart, and Schedule offer different perspectives to help you track progress and pinpoint any bottlenecks. And if you're managing personal tasks, consider using To Do for a clear, individual scope. Finally, upload all your project documents into the Files tab to leverage features like co-authoring, which allows multiple team members to work on documents simultaneously. For communication, utilize Teams meeting functionality for regular stand-ups, reviews, and stakeholder check-ins. With the built-in calendar linked to Outlook, scheduling is transparent and accessible to your team. During meetings, tools like Whiteboard, Loop components, and live chat can facilitate interactive and dynamic discussions. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up a dedicated team or channel for your project, ensuring everything is organized, clear, and accessible. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing.